attention to the word order when you use indirect questions. A direct question will have a question mark at the end of it. For example, where do you live? What's your name? However, an indirect question will use one of these WH questions, a question word, but they don't use inversions or auxiliary verbs because you are not asking a question directly. You are saying that there is something you don't know, there is something you don't understand, you're wondering about something. And because this is not a question anymore, the word order is not the one you would use when you're asking a question. Instead, it's exactly the same word order as if you were making a statement. After the WH word, you use a subject and a verb, and no auxiliary verbs. A direct question would be, where does he live? But the indirect question will be, I don't know where he lives. Where, subject and verb, as a statement. Direct question, why do people go there? Indirect question, I can't understand why people go there. Direct question, what did they write? Indirect question, I don't remember what they wrote. Subject and verb. Direct question, how have they broken into the house? Making the inversion because it's a question. But in here, not a question anymore. Indirect question. It's difficult to understand how subject, they, verb, have broken into the house. Over to you. Can you try these? When did they arrive? The indirect question will be, I don't know when they arrived. Subject and verb. Why have they become famous? Nobody understands why they have become famous. What could they do? They didn't know what, now subject, they could do. How will they survive? I wonder how, now the subject, they will survive.